still use my text because I want to use Montserrat. Tap on text, tap on add a heading. Now everything should be in capital letter. Chase. The next one is your dream, but we'll do it differently. You can just go down and say your, then the next one, dream. You can do it. So can you see? Okay, let's do it this way so we don't waste time, but you can do it separately. So chase your dream, something like this. But if you see this is different from this, so what we'll now do is I don't want this video to be long, and it's actually long. So this is how I teach in details. That's why it's long, right? I can teach this in 5 minutes. In fact, when I'm creating it, I can create it in 10 minutes. But since I'm teaching it, that's why it's like this. So what you now do is tap on font, this font, because we want to change it. Tap on font. For that one, I use Montserrat. You can either use Anton. This is Anton. Can you see? You can use Anton. But let's use Montserrat. This is Montserrat. Tap on Montserrat. In my advanced class, I'll show you how to use different fonts for different stuff. If you tap on Montserrat, this is what it's giving us. But don't worry, you can use this too. I taught you guys already. Use this edge and balance it. Can you see? I just balance it with the edge that I taught you. So just bring it. Chase your dream. This is Montserrat. Let's tap on font again. Montserrat. This is Montserrat. Tap on the arrow up. Tap on it. You see different stuff under Montserrat. This is our Montserrat. So this arrow that you're seeing, just tap on it. Don't know why my phone is hanging. It's because it's night. So this is regular. If you don't want regular, change it to medium. If you don't want medium, change it to semi. This is bold. This is extra bold. Can you see? This is black. So let's use black. Okay. This is a chase your dream. Let's use black. But mind you, we used let me reduce the size because I need it to be more. Reduce it, and this edge, increase it a bit. When you're increasing stuff, increase it by the edge here. Don't increase it by the waist here. The waist here is to cut some things that you don't need, extra excesses. Okay. So this is the chase your dream. If you see, this is our chase your dream. You can still reduce it a bit. Reduce it from this edge. There are two ways to reduce it. Okay, so I guess this is okay. Chase your dream. But if you see, this space is too much, this space is too much, while this space is not much, what you need to do, just tap on it. If I actually did this differently, it won't be like this. But this is what you will do. When you tap on it, you just check where they say spacing. In fact, all of these things, most of these things are free. You can use it. The only place you don't use free much is the element, of which I even told you. Personally, I don't use it. I have a site where I get my resources like this. I didn't use it on Canva. I showed you what Canva is giving me. Though Canva has stunning things, but the site, I prefer that one. So when you tap on it, look for spacing. This is our spacing. The spacing is too much. Letter spacing, we don't need it. Letter spacing means this C, between this C and H, is there more space? If you say yes, then can you see? You take it back. But if you said it's okay, let's leave it like this at letter spacing. Now line spacing is between your and dream is too much. So can you see? This is it. I guess this is okay. Yes, chase your dream, or yes, this is okay. 1.17 is okay. While letter spacing -62, you must not copy exactly like me. I'm just giving you instances. Okay. So now you can increase it a bit if you want. Chase your dream. When it comes to graphic design, sometimes you can use it like this. Can you see this chase? This C is not under this Y, and it's not under this D. Sometimes in graphic design we use something like this, but sometimes, in fact, 9 is just 5% we use, and it depends on what you're designing. But most times this C should be under this Y should be under this D, just like the way this len and alias is under. That's later alignment. You can't divorce that rule in graphic design. So now if I want it, I will leave it like this. But in my advanced class, I'll teach you how to align it. I don't want this video to be long. It's already long. So let's leave it like this. Then the next, I print, I brand, I edit. The same thing. Just tap on it. Let's duplicate it. Tap on edit. Remove everything. Just say I print. I print. Then give a space. I brand. Give a space. I edit. Give a space. So something like this, it's okay. Okay. Something like this, it's okay. You can just bring it under this D. If you can see, I'm using my hand to shift it, but it's misbehaving. So you can use your nudge. Look for nudge so that it will not be misbehaving. Okay. So it's under this D. Bring it down a little bit. So I brought it down. This is okay. Mind you, this chase your dream is red color. Tap on it. This is our color. Tap on color. Can you see? Let's use this. I don't want to use pepper red. This red is okay. This too, let me use this other red that I just used. Okay, so I use another red. Then let me shift this. Use your nudge very well. You should. So after this, the next is, if you see, I print, I brand, and I edit. The space is much, whereas this is not much. Do you know why? This I use Anton. I use Anton for this, but for this is actually Montserrat. That's why it's giving space like this. But I can still give it space. Just go to your spacing, later spacing, increase it like this. Though it's still Anton, but let's leave it like this. Let me bring it down. Tap on it. Go to your nudge. Bring it down. So the next thing is this reach us now. Reach us now. Just come here, duplicate it, and bring it down. Use this to wind it. Just wind it like this, right? Ensure it's straight. You can use this edge now. Shrink it. You get, I just shrink it. So still use the edge and shrink it because it's too big. So you can just put it here. Reach out to us. Let's say we'll duplicate this again. Tap on it, duplicate it, bring it here. Inside here, tap on your edit. You can now say reach us. Reach us now with this stuff, right? So this is it. Though they reach us now, this one is black color, this one is red color. Just change it so it doesn't mind. Then this WhatsApp with my number, you just put my number there. You just put your number there, and the WhatsApp. Just go to your element and search for WhatsApp logo. Just search for WhatsApp logo. You see free, you see paid. Don't use paid if you are using free. Can you see this edu means it's paid? I can use it. Let me tap on see all under graphics. But anyone like you, if you're using free, you can use this one. It's free. Anyone you don't see edu, you can use this one. It's free. But if you see paid, don't use it. Okay, so me, I paid it. I can go with black color or green color. So let me go with black color. Since I've been using black, I've not been using green here, so I don't want. Just reduce it, something like this. Bring it under here. Can you see? Then write your phone number. Just write your phone number and put it there. This is how to make. This is 35 minutes class. This is how to make this particular stuff. Can you see? It's very, very simple. Then join us now. Let me do it so that you guys will not see. Duplicate it. Tap on edit. Want to remove everything. Cancel everything. Just say join. Go down again. Join. Go down again with your arrow. Join. Still go down again with your keyboard arrow on your phone, or still go down again. Join us. Let me just use this. Okay, so remove these excesses. I told you that's when you can use this middle stuff here, is to remove excesses, okay? But here you increase things, here, okay, by this edge that you are seeing. So just bring it here, join us. This is okay. If you see that one is transparent, just look for transparency here. It's 100, reduce it to 15, join us. So can you see we use red color here? You can use any color. So this is how to make this particular flyer. We made it like from the scratch. The next one is just put your phone number here. That's all, right? Then the next class will be for the phone. So after that class, yes, for those of you that want to join, everything about all of this, details by details, will be taught. And anytime you ask me a question, I'll always be there to answer you and ensure that you are very, very good. Like on a normal basis, if I want to do this, I'll do it in 5 minutes. Once you have templates, that's all. That's, you have something, you like, you have a replicant, something like that. So that's how to do this particular simple flyer. Okay, so see you guys in the next class.